So in this section, we are going to be considering the equations of circles. Now, the only circles that we deal with at GCSE level are those that are centred at the origin. So they have their centre at the origin, but they can have different radii. Okay, so the radius might be of different lengths. So in this video, what I want to do is I want to introduce you to the equation of a circle. What does it look like? Where does it come from? Okay, and then in this section, we're really going to be looking at, can you write down the equation of a circle given some information? Given the equation, can you write down its centre and radius? And then we're going to be looking at intersecting lines with circles and finding the equations of tangents. Okay, so let's start off with this. So if there is a pair of coordinates, x, y, so that they lie on the circle. So let's say here is a point, and on this point has coordinates x, y. Okay? What I can do is I can draw a radius from the centre at the origin to that point. And then I can drop a perpendicular, which means draw a vertical line down to the x-axis there. And that creates a right-angled triangle. Now, if the coordinates are x, y, then this distance here will be x. Okay, so that distance will be x because this is as coordinates x, y, and we're going to be going up y. So this distance here will be y. Now, the thing about right-angled triangles is that if the triangle is right-angled, then Pythagoras' theorem holds. So if this is the radius, then that means that x squared, that side squared, plus this side squared, y squared, must be equal to the hypotenuse squared. So x squared plus y squared equals r squared, and that's an equation that comes through from Pythagoras' theorem, and this is the equation of the circle. So this is an equation of a circle that is centred at the origin, 0, 0, and has radius r. So notice that in the equation on the right-hand side, it is r squared and not just r. So whatever value you have here, in order to work out the radius, you must square root it in order to work out the value of r. Okay? So as I said, GCSE maths, we only consider circles centred at the origin, and so this is the format of the equation that we need to be able to work with.